Secondly, as a brief point also, the manner of doing that, the manner of going about in benefiting from that knowledge, is that a person ensures he places himself in the correct state of mind and situation to do so. So, that means have your books, have your pens, and be writing and taking the notes during the weekend, during the lectures, the points of benefit that you have not come across before, or points of benefit that you find are interesting to you, something which has come of benefit to you, you did not know of it before, so you record these points of knowledge. And as Shaykh Ubaid, حفظه Allah, mentioned once, that the types of people who come to these gatherings of knowledge, there are two types of people who come to these gatherings of knowledge. One type of person is a student. A student comes to these gatherings of knowledge. So he comes with his pen and he comes with his paper. And you know, there are narrations from the Salaf, they used to be writing when they ran out. They would carry on writing on their hand and then go home and copy it up. The second type of person who comes to these gatherings is our noble guest. A guest. Because what is expected of a guest? What is expected of a guest is nothing. You expect the guest to relax and to sit down and be comfortable, and not to stress himself or to put himself out. So the Shaykh said, when you come to these gatherings, you're either coming as a student, so you're going to roll your sleeves up, or you're coming as one of our beloved guests, going to sit back and relax and not do anything. In these types of gatherings, you do not want to be a guest. Do not make yourself a guest, expecting to sit and relax in these gatherings of knowledge. Rather be the other type, the student, the one who comes and is going to roll his sleeves up to benefit, to learn, to study, so that you go away with benefit from these gatherings. You go away having learnt and understood, and not that you go away with only general knowledge and general points you remember from the weekend. The one who writes and studies and goes away as a student, he will benefit from these 3 days more than the one who comes as a guest and listens and takes away the odd few points here and there. So strive and work hard in these gatherings which are blessed, in these gatherings of knowledge, in these gatherings of revising the Quran and the Sunnah, which is what the intent of these gatherings will be throughout this weekend.